Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to digitally sign IMM5532 relationship information and sponsorship evaluation. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in spouse sponsorship, this is a very important form. And years ago, when everything used to be on paper, we used to fill it up, we used to sign ourselves and send. But now IRCC has provided specific instruction about how to fill and sign this form. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna show you. And then you have to upload also. The very first thing is, I'm not gonna fill all the fields, but when you do it like first fill the whole form, including dates, all the dates. I'm just putting sample. Okay. So like you fill everything, each and everything. Okay. All the fields that you want, including you see there signatures, date also. Means make it in a way that only signatures. In this form, there are multiple places where signatures are required. Okay. Like here, principal applicant, sponsors. If you go up, after you complete all these questions, principal applicant signature, everything, like fine. Once you are through everything, once you know that everything has been filled up and ready, what you have to go, you have to save it as a PDF. Okay, that's what I'm gonna show. So just like you can go file and print, or you can see there's a print option in Adobe, that also you can use. Control P also. Okay. Okay, so here you see print to PDF. Click on print, it's gonna save the form. Okay. Okay, now the form, after you save it, I mean, you go for Microsoft Save as PDF, you open it. You see in this toolbox, there is an option to add signature. So what you are gonna do, go to the signature section, wherever it is. For example, sponsor signature. Okay, I'm gonna do this. And here, text. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, so, yeah, you go for this text one. Okay, yeah. And here, put your name. So go for this text, add this, and then the same thing you can do in other fields also. And once that is ready, you can save and upload this. Okay. So once you type the name and save it, then the form is ready. You can upload it. But again, fill all the fields. Okay, and then use this text, not the signature. Okay, this text, as I had described before. Earlier, I went for this, but that's not the case. Go for this type, this text. Okay, and in this way you can do. So thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.